All right, so we are going to be solving another question on circuit analysis. You know, these are exam-based questions that every electrical engineering student should learn globally. All right, so the question says we should find the equivalent resistance across the two terminals A and B. All right, so if you look at the above circuit, you are going to observe that we are having 6 ohms resistor here. Here we are having 8 ohm resistor, 2 ohms, 4 ohms, 4 ohms, and 4 ohms. All right, as you look at this circuit, what do you observe? We have a what? We have an ID wire at the side. So if you look at this, this is an ID wire. This is also an ID wire. I have given us the definition of an ID wire. An ID wire is a wire that has little or no resistance at all. Little or no resistor at all. All right, so you can see that, you can look at this. This is an ID wire, and every point on an ID wire is what? Same. It means if this point is A, this point too will also be A. If this point is B, this point too will also be B. All right, so if we call this A, this point too will also be A. If we call this B, this point too will also be what? B. All right, I hope we understand. All right, so for us to solve this question properly now, we are now going to be redrawing the circuit. We are going to be redrawing the circuit. So for us to redraw the circuit, I'll just sketch it with hand, then I'm going to draw it later, just for the sake of explanation. You know, we love our work to be very neat. All right, so here we are having A, B, right? And sorry. So if you look at this, we are having A, B. So it's going to look like this. All right, so here we have A, here we have B, right? All right, so let's call here point A, and here is our point B. All right, so in between this, we are having resistor. We are having 4 ohms resistor. All right, so now if you look at all other points that we have, so here we are having A, B. We are having 2 resistors connected to point AB, this small AB. So you can do like this. So something like this. Okay, let me move this point here. All right, so again we also have another A and B. So all right, so that's it. And the last one, which is A, B again. So we have one like this. I hope we understand. So this is how our circuit is going to look like. I hope you are learning. All right. This is the clear diagram now. This is the proper diagram rather. All right, so you can see that 8 ohms and 6 ohms, they are in series. 2 ohms and 4 ohms, they are in series. So we are going to add that together. So let's start with that. RT1 will be equals to 8 plus 6, which is what? 15 ohms. All right. 2 plus 4 is also what? In series. So let's call that RT2, which is what? 2 plus 4, which is 6 ohms. All right, so that is what we are going to have. So now that we have combined them in series now, into series, so we can therefore clean this and this, but I will just redraw the circuit now. So we are just going to have 15 ohms here. We are going to have 6 ohms here, and everything will now be in parallel. So I think we can just do that here. We can do that here. So here is how our diagram is now. 2 plus 4 is 6 ohms. 8 plus 6 is 14, not 15. I've corrected that. All right, so we can therefore calculate our equivalent resistance now. So 1 all over R equivalent will be equals to, everything is parallel, right? 1 all over 14 plus 1 all over 4 plus 1 all over 6 plus 1 all over 4. All right. So if you press this directly in your calculator, you are going to have this to be 31 over 42. So 1 all over arrow equivalent will be equals to 31 all over what? 42. All right, but if you take the inverse of both sides now, if you take the inverse of both sides, our arrow equivalent will be equals to 42 all over what? 31 ohms. So here is the final solution to the above question. And mind you, don't forget that we have a well structured and written material which is written by which is written by us rather. So this material is for your personal consumption. If you need any of this material, either on this or on any of our courses on circuit analysis and strength of material such as bending moment and shear force, bending stresses in a beam, and so on and so forth, or thermodynamics, we have all our materials ready for you guys. So for you to get this material, just go to our description. You see a link that will direct you to our WhatsApp or our email. You can send us a direct message order for any of this material of your choice.